We'll get some video up on Facebook for GH Woodworking. There he is. There's John. Tuning the blade up. Making sure his cuts are precise. I got a stack of giant black locust. I got some maple there and a stack of ash over here. Now that is some nice ash. Look at that big one. That one's going to be a workshop mini work thing. So anyways, there it goes. Another angle. Me trying to reuse the trees we had to cut down because they're about to fall on our house due to all this crazy weather we've been having. So there it goes. GH Woodworking. We'll come out to your house, take one of your trees, cut it up for you. You won't get a better guy to work with than Jerry and his gang, so. Slowly but surely. Right now he's cutting it about a couple inches thick. 2-3 inches, so. And we're starting to make our stack of wood over there. I'm going to stay away from it just to be safe. He's almost through it. I think he's going to be heavy. Oh well. See ya.